Hi everyone! Have you ever finished your work on Friday, closed your laptop's lid, and then discovered on Monday morning that the computer is completely out of charge? This is a common issue with most Windows devices, as the sleep mode that Microsoft provides doesn't actually power off the PC, and the standby consumption can be quite high. But what if I told you that you can power off your computer, save your open apps, keep it like that for over a week, power it back up, and continue right where you left off? That's exactly what the hibernation allows you to do. So how does it work? Unlike sleep, hibernation actually powers down your PC, but it saves everything from the RAM to the system hard drive or SSD. This means that it takes a little longer to power up, but you still get the benefit of saving your work without draining the battery. Since Windows 7, Microsoft have been trying to hide this function from you, but without disabling it completely, which brings some drawbacks. Here's how you can make it appear in the Start menu. Search for Choose a Power Plan or run powercfg.cpl. Then click on Choose what the power buttons do. From here, you can select the checkbox to show the Hibernate option in the Power menu. You might need to click the elevation prompt at the top to change this setting. You can also change the action for closing the lid to hibernate instead of sleep. But what if you have a PC and you never plan to use this feature? In my opinion, you should definitely disable it because of the way it works. It stores information on your system drive in a file called hiberfill.sys. Regardless of whether you're using the function or not, depending on how much RAM you have and how much you use it, this file can grow quite large and take up a significant amount of free space. So to disable the hibernation, open an elevated command prompt and type powercfg/hibernate off. If for any reason you need to re-enable it, just type powercfg/hibernate on. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, you can subscribe to see more content like this.